In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Netflix the device is not supported error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your Netflix app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Netflix. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, close this. Check for your device software update. For that, launch settings, go to the option general, click on the option software update. If any updates are available, just update it. If the solution didn't work out for you, you can head over to the website Netflix Help Center. From here, you can navigate to this section, Fix If Problem, then select Account Issue and go through the process. Likewise, you can use the web version of Netflix. If you're having issue in the app, you can launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website of Netflix and use Netflix in the web version. Lastly, completely delete Netflix app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these solutions, you will be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.